I'm stuck out here in the woods. To help set me free, click subscribe. I'm out here in the woods. To help me be able to stay here forever, click subscribe. Oh! Oh! Wow! Ah! Oh, that hurt! Oh, my... We're going to Tannery Knobs today. Obviously, you can see the bikes behind me. Tannery Knobs is a little bike park in the middle of downtown Johnson City, and we're going to try and ride every trail there. We got the whole place to ourselves. We're going to start with the pump track, and then we're going to try and go through every trail. I'm talking to the camera. You look old. That looks so weird. Alright, I don't care if I go backwards. There's no one here, and up here, and I could go down here, opposite way of the arrows. Never do this. Never do this when there's people around. I'm going backwards. I can go anywhere I want. Old man. And we're back at the top. So none of the trails go all the way down. They all loop their way back up to the top somehow. So I'll show you the map. So we're here, and this is the green loop we just did. Goes around and comes back, and then there's a blue loop that's a lot longer, and it goes around and it comes back, and then there's a black loop that goes either onto the blue loop or back up to the intersection, and a lot of trails connect here. And we're about to do this blue trail. We're gonna go on the green and then do the blue down and then back up to the top, and then we'll do the black trail down and then go on the blue loop back to the top. Okay. You coming on the blue trail with me?
Yeah.
Alright, don't go over the berms.
I will try not to.
On our way up to the top. Leaning tree. Whoa, wrong way. I'm gonna try that again. There we go. Nope. Alright. Oh, it's so leafy. Can't see anything on the trail. My heel is on the pedal. Holy cow. Oh, this is bad. Oh, my nards. Yeah. I know. Slowly. But there's no one here. So we don't have to go slow. We don't have to go slow. Oh, this is where I peed off the cliff. Oh, the pedaling. You're in the video. What? Oh. Confident in myself. No! No! I had one more rock to get over. Down here. Did I scare you? Oh. Yeah.
Perfect.
Nothing big is happening here. It's my birthday. Meow. What was that? There's nothing to it. Just do it. Nothing to it. Oh. Well. Did that. Oh, that's janky. Wrong gear for this too. I'm in the wrong gear. I'm okay. I'm good, but that really hurt my scar. I'm okay though. I'm good. I'm all good. All good here. Hey! Unlike how I got the scar, we got it on video. We're not cleaning this with hydrogen peroxide. Ooh, it hurts. Woo! Ow. So that's the video here at Tannery Knobs. I had a big crash and I don't think I should show it.
Oh, that looks nasty.
Ooh.
Yeah, you tore the scar tissue.